you, that was a Nashni laddu. It's very tasty and very easy to make it. Also, it's a healthy option to you for you to have in between your meals. So sometimes you have a small hunger for that. Shinu loves it very much. Shinu likes it. Shinu eats it in between whenever he's hungry. I give him and he eats it. That's it. So you can also try it and make it and let me know how was it. So here I have took around 2.5 bowl of ragi flour, half bowl of ghee, 1 bowl of grated jaggery, few almonds and 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder. So first I will roast almonds in the 1 tablespoon of ghee. I like roasted almonds in ghee very much, so I always roast them in ghee and I'll allow it to roast till they turn in golden in color. So after they have become golden in color, I will remove them and I will roast ragi flour in it. For ragi flour, I will put all the remaining ghee in the kadai, and once the ghee is melted down completely, I will add ragi flour to it and mix it very well. So after mixing it very well, I will put the flame to low and I will continuously stir it for next 10 to 12 minutes on low flame. Also, while mixing, if you find the mixture is getting dry, you can add more 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee to it and mix it again. You will also see that it is forming hard lumps. Do not get scared. Break those lumps and keep stirring continuously on low flame only. While this mixture is roasting, this mixture will spread a nice aroma all over the room, and anyone can guess that something sweet is getting cooked in the kitchen. So now what I will do is I will make jaggery syrup aside on the side flame till this mixture is getting roasted properly. For 1 cup of grated jaggery, I will use 1/4 cup of water, bowl, 1/4 bowl of water in a pan, and once the boil comes to heat, I will put the grated jaggery in it and I will stir the jaggery and water for a minute, and on medium flame I'll allow the jaggery to melt in the water. Till the time the jaggery is getting melted in the water, I'll again come to the kadai and I'll keep mixing or stirring the ragi flour mixture, and I will roast the mixture until it turns brown in color and the ghee starts leaving the flour aside. So now you can see the jaggery has melted down completely in the pan, and now I will put the flame full and allow the syrup to come to boil for 1 minute, and then I will turn the flame off. Do not overcook the syrup, as if the syrup becomes hard, it will also make the laddus hard. So do not overcook the syrup. So now the flour is roasted. Also this jaggery syrup is ready. Allow both the mixtures warm down completely. Do not allow it to cool. You have to roll the laddus when both the mixtures are warm. So now I will add cardamom powder and almonds to ragi flour mixture, and once I add those, I will put the jaggery syrup to it. But as you can see, I cannot mix all this mixture in a plate, so I am again putting this ragi flour and the other ingredients in kadai back, and also I'll mix the jaggery syrup in kadai only. So I will add the jaggery syrup gradually, little by little, and mix it very well. You will see that by adding little bit of syrup only, you will see the mixture has become wet very well. But do not worry, you have to add all the jaggery syrup because this amount is appropriate for it. Keep it mixing, keep adding the syrup little by little, and once you add all the syrup, mix it very well so all the sweetness of the jaggery spread all over the flour and the flour has absorbed it. So after mixing it, I will take little bit of ghee on my palms and I will take little bit of mixture on my hand and I will start rolling the laddus. You will see my hands have become greasy, oily and sticky. Do not worry. Once the laddus have settled down and cooled down completely, they become dry and they do not stay sticky and oily for long time. Also, the laddus will become not hard and not that soft. It will be nice to eat. So once they have cooled down and settled down, I will also show you the picture at the last. So stay tuned and have a check. Do try this recipe and let me know how was it.